Nelly. You. Another fine day. Wednesday. Classic Car Creations. I'm Earl, your host. Showing you what's going on in the shop. Cars are all plastic up everywhere. What the hell is going on? Well, we're spraying today and we don't want anything going on in the booth. These cars are all done. Christine's done. Trans Am's done. That car's going together pretty good. And Lee's doing his magic. Spraying the high build. Let's take a look. And that was Lee shooting some high build primer. There's a compressor room screaming in my ear. This one here is going together. And I'm busy wiring everything up. Putting stuff together. Bench is a freaking mess. It's been crazy here today. I've been putting some hours in on this.
Get that, or do you want me to just go right at it?
No, this is good, Lee. This looks good. Yeah, we're good. I don't think we need to go any more for tonight. What we're going to do is I'm going to let this set up and I'm going to scuff it down tomorrow. Okay. And then go from there. And I got to service that gun because that gun's doing something funny out of the needle. Yeah. But other than that, it doesn't matter. It's high build primer. I don't care. But when it gets down to shooting regular primer, I'm going to care real fast.
Yeah,
so.
I don't want it to lay fucked up shitty.
Yeah, it looks good, man. Looks good.
Yeah. Alright, I got enough color then. Okay.
Yeah, you're good, man. I just want to get the body of it because I got to block all this out. And then this hood tomorrow, I got to block that. I got Dan coming tomorrow. He's going to be welding the bed out there that I just took a video of. And that's it, man. Yeah, man. Kitties. More kitties. There's Sheba and Itsy. There's some kitties. Shop cats. Well-fed, spoiled shop cats. And that'd be the 53 again. Hanks were put together, the electrical. And then I got a cab over here. This is Doyce's truck. We're getting ready for next week. We're going to be polishing all the metal out on this. And we're going to zinc chromate it, and we're going to start going 2K. So that's it. The engine's over here. She's been iced for a little bit. We're going to go in and inspect her. I got some 57 Chevy fenders for a car that's coming in for a full paint job real soon. We just did all the rust repairs down low. Courtesy of Dan doing his fabrication specialties. Looking really, really good. Shout outs today. VV the Duck VV. Ranchero 302 Me. Thank you very much, guys, for hooking me up and plugging me and everything. And you guys are the bomb. And I appreciate everybody for tuning in and got some subscribers. Hard to believe for the lousy video editing that I do and no action work. Figures. Well, everybody, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it, and we'll see you soon. Take care.